Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update Intel HD graphics on Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Searching online for drivers. Downloading drivers started. Installing drivers. Display driver successfully updated. Close and exit Device Manager. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.